Hello friends, in this video we will try to discuss two different Scala interview questions. Question number 1 is how to convert a list of string into a list of string using Scala. And the second question we will try to see how to append an element to an existing list. So both the scenarios we will try to see into practical now. First of all, let me try to create an object. Let's say list of elements. Question number 1, how to convert list of string into list of string. So in this video we will try to see how to convert. Okay, so in Scala we will flatten list of string into list of string by using flatten method. So by applying flatten method we can able to flatten list of string into list of string. This flatten method is part of collections. And it flattens nested collections into single level. So the importance of this flatten method is this will flatten nested collections into single level. Now we will try to see programmatically how to achieve this. Step number 1, creating object. So within object we are creating main method. Now let's try to create a list of sample data. List of let's try to take string data type. List of, let's say list of some sample data, banana, orange, guava. In the second list let's try to take orange, lemon. In the third list let's try to take another collection, let's say pear and then kiwi. So we have taken a list of string data type. Now let's try to flatten this. Flattened list, flattening into list of string. So by using list of by using flatten method. Now let's try to print this outcome list. So what we are trying to do here, we have taken a list of string sample data and then we are flattening that into a list of string using flatten method. So let's try to run this program. See, this list of string is converted into a list of string. All the elements which is part of one single list, which is flattened by using flatten method. So we have seen how to flatten this using flatten method. Now let's try to discuss the second question. Let's try to create some sample object. Question number 2, how to append elements to an existing list. Let's try to see programmatically how to do this. Creating object within, let's create main method. Now let's try to take a sample list. Well, my list equal to list of, let's try to take some random elements, 10 comma 20 comma 40 comma 50. Let's say this is the sample list. Now let's try to add a new element at the last. Okay, after 50 I'm trying to add a 70. Well, new list equal to my list. So in order to add that, we are going to use colon plus and then 70. So using colon and plus notation, we are going to add a new element to the existing list. Let's try to print this and see whether it is going to add at the last or not. See, after 50, we can able to successfully add 70. So this is how, using this notation, we can able to append at the last. So what if I want to add at the beginning? So in beginning I would like to add element 1. Okay, now let's try to see how to do that. 1. Now let's apply plus colon my list. It's reverse. So we are using, in order to add colon plus, here we are going to add plus and colon and based on the my list. Now let's try to run and see this. So before 10 it is going to add 1. So this is how we can able to add at the beginning and at the last. So we have seen successfully these two scenarios. So that's all for today's case. If you guys really like it, please to subscribe, like it and share it, and please to the comment.